guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And today I'm going to uh, do unboxing for this item number 95503, the case of basic Mini 4WD card box. So let's open it and see what's inside. Alright, so first thing we can see is the black check box, and also we can you can read the instruction and see how to build this box. Okay, so here we go, let's start it. Okay, so we gonna start from the easiest part, the checkbox. Okay, so the checkbox is ready, and next we're gonna start build the box. So as you can see here, we have 3 cardboards, and one has number 2 and number 3, and the other one is a square, and we're gonna use that for next. So here we're just gonna stand it up, and we found there's a U shape side. Then we just fold that in first and put the left and right side over that there, and then we just push that down, and that's it. Then we just push a little bit to make it make sure it's flat, and then we put the square one, slide it in first, then we slide in the other sides, like fold it in, and you should be just fit. Okay, so now is the cardboard number 3, and we just fold it in half. Then we're gonna slide that in, but when you slide it in, just be careful, because you have to push the side, like left and right. You have to push it a little bit to make it a space to slide it in, but when you pull it out, just try to do it gently, because it's a cardboard, right? So it's you want to make sure it's not no damage on it. Okay, so here you go. This is our card case box. Okay, so now here you go, you can see from the front, and then I'm going to take the black check box. I just put the card inside already, then we're gonna put it in, perfectly fit. And now we're gonna try this, the regular check box from the Tamiya. Then let's see how it works. It fits in there too, but there's a small space inside, but it's okay. But as long as it's fit, then that's good. Okay, so this is today's unboxing video, and if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like and subscribe and share this video. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you next time. Thank you.